Dynamic components are definitely an interesting feature which can help you add certain features to your apps in an easier way. But here is an additional thing you should know about dynamic components. Let's say in Manage Goals, we had an input field. Let's actually say we have a wrapping div here, like this. And then in here, we also have an input field where the user is able to enter some goal name. Now, this is just a dummy input field. We're not doing anything with its value here, but it would be realistic that we have one component or multiple components where the user is able to enter something, and that we then load this component dynamically with component. Now, here's the problem we'll face with that. In Manage Goals, we have the input field, but if I enter a goal here, and then before I save it, I decide to go back to active goals, and then I come back to Manage Goals, you see what I entered is lost. And the reason for that is that when we switch our components, the old component is really destroyed and removed from the DOM. And that of course means that anything we entered here into this input field is lost if we switch away, because the input field is removed from the DOM. And when we go back to Manage Goals, a brand new input field is added again. Now, this is maybe not what you want, and Vue has a solution for that as well. It has another built-in component, the keep-alive component. And you can wrap that around your dynamic component. So keep alive works together with this component, with this dynamic component concept. And it does what the name implies. Keep alive allows you to tell Vue that components should not be removed and deleted entirely, but that instead their state should be saved, that they should be cached behind the scenes. So with keep alive added here, if we go back and reload, if I enter some goal here and I go back to active goals and then back to manage goals, this text is still here. Because behind the scenes it was not entirely deleted, but Vue kept all the information around, ensuring that we're not losing this content here. And it depends on what you're building, whether you want keep alive or not, but it's good to know that it exists.